National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Mineral, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massachusetts, Spotsylvania, Mine Run, Brokenburg, Parker, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Snell, Alsop, Goldale, Gatewood, Chancellorsville, Logan, Partlow, Glenora, Post Oak, Thornburg, Dunavant, and Lake of the Woods. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.